Good afternoon, guys. How are you today? Yeah, I just finished my duty and yeah, we are here in the beach. Look, there's no water, like up to 10-20 meters maybe. And also it is like that. It's foggy. I don't know, it's not foggy. And this house. Yeah, the ground floor is already done. I think this is just one floor. Oh no, for sure there is a second floor because yeah, wasted if they don't put second floor. Nice. It's like a big playground. Can you imagine if this place is a playground? Yeah, without water. It may be scary because some other parts will be very deep. I stop here again because I see that there are so many people even on the very far side. Here also a lot of people. You know, yesterday when I arrived at work, yeah, my chef told me that, oh, sorry Robbie, I didn't notice that your schedule is yeah, long hours. I like it that way. Than complaining, I prefer it that way. If you remember, I mentioned before that I noticed an irregularity on my schedule. Yeah, and that was it. I planned to have a coffee along the beach in Marina, but I decided to just go home, have a coffee at home, much better. It is now 15 minutes before 4 o'clock. Yeah, no, 15:43. I'm reheating the rice and I'm actually have this. This is the corned beef that I cooked like 2 days ago, and I have some leftover, and I'm just going to put some water and make it boiling. Yeah. Yeah, we don't waste food, mate. Yeah, it is boiling now. I don't know what I am going to put here. I put some pasta. I have some frozen pasta here. You know, this is leftover from the macaroni salad. Frozen cooked pasta. This is going to be my 4 o'clock already, so it is lunch dinner. I will eat more later. I really regret that I could give you it. Hey guys, good afternoon. The time now is 3 o'clock. We are going home now. Yeah. Beautiful flower. We get down here because we're going to buy something to eat along the way. Today is like this, it's hot today. Actually, it's very humid. Yeah, yesterday was really sunny. There's no clouds, but yesterday was good. Windy if you're in the shaded area. Under the sun is hot, of course. Yeah, this time when it is humid like this, it feels good to be in the beach. Good morning, guys. It is now 8 minutes before 4 o'clock. We are actually waiting for the taxi that will bring me to the airport. Yeah, we're going out of town today. They have a flight going to New Zealand. Yeah, nice. Only during summer. We are now inside. There's not so much people this time. Yeah, I still have around 1 hour to for the departure. And I'm going to buy first something to eat here. This is what I'm going to have for breakfast. This is a bacon and egg roll. Very common here in Australia. Bacon and egg roll. So basically, this is like a burger. Inside there is an egg and a bacon. Where's the bacon? And this is just $4. Yeah, you know, the other restaurant, they are also selling bacon and egg roll, but it's $8. But here in Red Roaster, just $4. Nice. And I'm also having a coffee and bottled water. Yeah, the place is getting crowded now. More and more people are coming. And as I can see from here, there are more people in the check-in area outside. I already spent $100 for the taxi. Actually, it is supposed to be $130, but you know, the driver said that 100 is okay. Yeah, $130 on the meters, but you know, the driver is very considerate. Do you remember this power bank? I don't know if this is really fake, but it actually works very well, because you know, it works only with the original accessories. Yeah, and it charges very fast also. Yeah, I tried before to charge my iPhone using the third-party cable, but it's not working very well. I mean, it's not working properly. It works and sometimes it is stopped and like that, but when I start using the original cable, it works very well.